Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that so many of us can relate to: imposter syndrome. Yep, that feeling that you're not good enough, that you don't deserve your achievements. But guess what? You absolutely do. I'm here to remind you that you've got all the legitimacy to handle whatever project comes your way. So, let's kick imposter syndrome to the curb and boost that confidence, shall we? Let's jump right in. 1. Understanding imposter syndrome. First things first, let's get a handle on what imposter syndrome really is. It's that nagging belief that your accomplishments are just a result of luck, not your skills. But guess what? That's far from the truth. You've worked hard to get where you are, and you deserve every ounce of success that's come your way. 2. Embracing your achievements. Take a moment to reflect on your journey. Look at the milestones you've achieved, and the challenges you've conquered. Those are no flukes, they're the result of your dedication and hard work. So, own those achievements. Write them down, celebrate them, and remind yourself that you've earned every single one. 3. Shifting your perspective. Time to flip the script on that negative self-talk. Instead of focusing on what you lack, focus on what you bring to the table. What unique skills do you possess? What experiences have shaped you? Remember, you offer something special that no one else does. 4. Embracing continuous growth. Newsflash, nobody knows everything. And that's perfectly okay. We're all on a journey of learning and growth. So, when faced with a new project, view it as an opportunity to expand your knowledge and skills. You're not expected to be a master from the get-go. 5. Talk it out, don't bottle up those feelings. Share your doubts and worries with a friend, mentor, or colleague. More often than not, they'll reassure you of your abilities and offer a fresh perspective. Remember, you're not alone in this. 6. Visualizing success. Close your eyes and visualize yourself excelling at the project. Imagine the satisfaction of completing it and receiving praise for your hard work. This technique can really boost your confidence and help alleviate imposter feelings. 7. Celebrate mistakes. Yes, you heard me right, celebrate mistakes. They're proof that you're trying, learning, and growing. Each misstep is a stepping stone towards improvement. Embrace the process and give yourself credit for having the courage to take risks. 8. The legitimacy pep talk. Time for a pep talk. You are more than capable. You've put in the effort, gained the experience, and developed the skills. You are the real deal. So, the next time imposter syndrome creeps in, remind yourself that you've got this. There you have it, awesome viewers. Imposter syndrome might be a persistent little bugger, but armed with the right mindset, you can overcome it. Remember, you are valid, you are skilled, and you are capable. Embrace your achievements, believe in yourself, and watch as your confidence soars. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, keep being amazing.